Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can embed Instagram post for your WordPress blog. Firstly, I will show how you can do this on Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show for the classic editor. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going all post section. I am going to open this test post on Gutenberg blog editor and I am going on my Instagram page. I want to embed this post in my WordPress blog post. So which post you want to embed, just click on that post. After clicking, it will open. Then go the right top corner here. Click on this three dot. After clicking, you will find embed option. So click that embed and here you will get a code. So if you want to include caption, you can include it. I am going to select it for Gutenberg blog editor, but for classic editor, I will not select. Then you will see the difference. So select this include option and I am going to copy embed code. After that, I am on my post and here add a new blog. Search with custom HTML, then select it and paste your code here. Just save draft. View preview. You see that post already embedded here. Even if you hover your mouse on view on Instagram, there is showing another pop-up bar and full post is embedded here. It's not align center. I want to make it align center. For this, I have to add a tag, center tag. Before starting this code, adding this center tag, and after the code script, add closing center tag. Save draft and give a refresh. You see this post is right now on center. If I click here or if I click on this pop-up or image anywhere of this box, it will redirect to Instagram on that post. So it's done for the Gutenberg blog editor. Right now, I am going to show you for the classic editor. So I am going to open same post in classic editor. And this is the classic editor. I want to embed above Instagram embed for classic editor. So above this sentence, I will embed the Instagram post. So I am going to embed the same post, clicking on three dot, again clicking on embed. This time I will not include caption. So without caption, how it's look like, you will see. Untick this caption box and copy embed code. Now I am coming to text section in classic editor. You see this text option. Beside visual, you will find the text. Click there and I am adding that embed code top of the post. So save draft and preview the post. You see this post embedded here, but here has no description as like previous one because that time we include the caption. That's why all of the text post status included on that embed, but this time I didn't include the caption. So that's the different. Now if you want to make it center, how you can do this? Same way, before that code add center and after that code add closing center tag. Save draft and give a refresh. You will see this is right now on center. So these things came from the classic editor. without caption, and this embed came from the Gutenberg blog editor with caption. It's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.